Today, we will learn the prime factorization method for finding the HCF and LCM of two numbers. According to this method, the HCF of two numbers is the product of the smallest powers of all the common prime factors. The LCM of two numbers is the product of the greatest powers of all the prime factors involved. Now, let's solve an example. Find the HCF and LCM of 6 and 20. First, write the prime factorization. 6 equals 2 times 3, which is 2 to the power 1 times 3 to the power 1. 20 equals 2 times 5, which is 2 to the power 2 times 5 to the power 1. For the HCF, we take the common prime factor with the smallest power. So, the HCF of 6 and 20 is 2. For the LCM, we take the greatest powers of all the prime factors. So, LCM equals 2 squared times 3 times 5. That is 4 times 3 times 5 equals 60. Therefore, the HCF is 2 and the LCM is 60. Thank you for watching.